guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today I'm here to provide my review about this hair oil. It's called Biotic Biobringaraj Therapeutic Oil for Falling Hair. So I think you can see the bottle. Yes guys. Um, so this is a therapeutic oil for falling hair. And it is an intensive hair regrowth treatment. So and it is a very good oil in case you're facing issues with falling hair fall. So you will surely see benefits with the hair regrowth. So it comes in a bottle like this. I wouldn't say it's very travel friendly because see, this is how you get to pour the oil. So usually I face this issue that the oil gets spilt out here. So coming to the ingredients, it has bringraj, it has amla fruit, it has tesu flower, mulethi stem, brahmi plant, and cow's milk and goat's milk. Guys, you can always Google cow's milk, and especially goat's milk is very good for your hair. And Bringaraj is known since like ages for good hair growth. So I would suggest you can try this. Guys, now I would like to share one very important tip with you. So whenever you're going to buy any product, make sure you're buying in small quantity first. Test it on yourself before you buy it in large quantities, because I am suggesting this because this used to happen with me. I initially, when I started using the products, I used to buy it in large quantities, and some of the products would not suit my skin or hair, and it would be wasted. So what I suggest is first buy like a tester. The minimum quantity that you get in the market, you can try that. If it suits you, only then you can. So speaking about this is the hair oil. I could say it has ended my search for hair oil. It's really very good for your hair. Just apply 2 hours before you go to bath, before you head for a hair bath, hair wash, and after 2 hours you can take a bath, and you will see the difference with your hair. So yeah, I have actually applied some hair oil now. However, I'll also be showing how you should be applying your oil, because see here, I don't have any hair fall. It's not there at all. So about applying the hair oil, take some good quantity of oil like this, then start applying it on your scalp like this, guys. It's very important that the hair reaches your scalp, because that is how the hair gets the required nutrients. So I'm going to apply it little by little throughout my scalp and massage it very well. Like this. Yes guys, and yeah, now once you're done with the scalp, you can apply to the tips of your hair. Guys, I would like to show you, this is a very it's not a very thick oil, so you can even apply it for, you can even use it for daily uses. You can see the texture of the oil. It's very light on your skin and on your hair as well. I usually apply my hair oil almost daily. I just leave one day after my hair wash. Afterwards I apply it for a day, and then again have a hair wash. So it really works out very well. So like this, apply it on the tips of your hair, so that this will also resolve any issues with split ends, guys. So I see a lot of hair growing on my head now after I've started using this. It's almost like 2 months I've been using this hair oil, so it's very good. So the only issue I have been facing with hair this is the bottle. I didn't like the way it is given very much. But you know, guys, what you can do is I always use a Vim bottle to store my oil because it's very convenient to use also. So once the Vim is over, I just wash off the bottle, dry it clean, and then I fill up my oil in the Vim bottle and I store it there. It's very convenient to use and I can use it very easily as well. So guys, I will meet you after 2 hours how well my hair is now. Okay, so yeah guys, so I finished the shower. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to apply some hair serum. This is from L'Oreal. Okay, so you can apply any hair serum, guys. We usually use hair serum to provide luster to our hair. This is something that we won't apply on the scalp but only onto your hair. Okay, so about yeah, so you can see how my hair is, guys. I want to tell you, I have tried all the hair oils till date. I have literally used every hair oil. I have also tried homemade hair oils, coconut oils, everything, but nothing had actually worked for me. I always had hair fall, especially recently after my delivery. I had a lot of hair fall and I was trying for a remedy. Finally I found Bringraj and it was really good. What I would like to tell you is, initially, if you could see, if I comb my hair, I would get like 4 to 5 hair all together from the root till the tip. It would be this long hair, all 4 to 5 coming off together from my head. I was really worried as to what could be done with this. It is like your hair is coming for a group meet. And I was like, why have you all come for a group meet? Where did I ask you to come? But I had to throw it away from my head office. So that was how it was. But once I started, I found my remedy for my hair fall. Guys, just like I told you before, it's not necessary that this will work for everyone. It might work, it might not work. So always buy a small bottle, small quantity. I think they have the initial quantity is 120 ml. So you can go for it. It's available on all the websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Purple, every website. So you can try it in any of the websites. It's available. So give it a try. If you're looking for it, you can definitely try this, guys. For me, it really worked well. So as you can see my hair now, it's dry. See how voluminous it looks, how good it looks. I just love it, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy the way you feel your hair. So yeah, check it out and let me know how you felt with the product. And as I told you, please leave a comment on any improvements that you're looking for this in this channel. If you're new, first time watcher of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel and comment as well. I'll be waiting and see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.